Hello everyone, my name is Keshav Adhikari and I am from Gangtok, Sikkim, and I am the student of Medhavi Skills University doing Bachelors in Optometry, a third year student, Department of Optometry. So talking about my university is based on a skill which gives you more practical knowledge rather than theory. Out here I came to know more about practical knowledge, how to deal with the situation, what kind of thing is necessary, and I want to thank our HOD Vidyasagar for giving us this wonderful opportunity to enhance our skills in optometry. Thanking all the teachers, faculty members, they are more supportive and cooperative. And talking about my OJT program, on-job training, a kind of initiative taken by the Medhavi Skills University. I think this initiative is one of the great initiatives in our university, not in Sikkim, all over Northeast. This mainly focus on our skill set, how to enhance the skill. And when I was posted in Siliguri Greater Lines Eye Hospital for 3-month OJT program, I came to know that this OJT is most necessary for the student who is doing in a paramedical course, because they will deal with the patient, how to handle the patient situation, how to deal with the patient, all kind of things, all kind of objectives, do's and don'ts, they will be able to know in the earlier phase rather than going in the field after doing internship. So this was a much good initiative taken by the Medhavi Skills University, and I thank all the members out there who has initiated this kind of initiatives, which will definitely help the student to enhance their skills in their career. So at last but not the least, education is required, but skill is mandatory to enhance career opportunities. Thank you.